Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vlog IT Explore. And yesterday we were discussing about Manage Engine, and today we are going to discuss about the agent, how this agent will install and how your machine will be communicated to this Manage Engine tool. In order to do that, we need to download the agent. So we are not doing anything as of now. It is just a plain setup what we are exploring now, but later on we'll see how we will connect our domain controller, how we'll be having domain controller credentials, right, configure a service account and all. Right now I'm just configuring just plain configuration we are doing. Okay, so click on this download button. If you go into this console, go to agent, computers, download this agent, select your default office because we have not created any office yet, and click on agent, click on Windows. Right, there is a different option called distribution server. We'll explore it later, but right now we can work on this Windows part. Click on this download agent, or you can copy this link. So let's suppose I have copied this link. Now I am running with few machines, right, in the VMware, right? So maybe I can go to any machine, right? So we can go to this machine. Okay, let me log in onto this machine and I will show you how we can install this agent. Okay, so I just copied this agent. Go to your browser inside your machine where you want to install it. Okay, and you need to paste the link like this, and this screen will appear. So you need to click on download for Windows, and this agent will download here. You just need to click on open this, and you can install this as an administrator in your machine. Okay, so this machine will be act as a client which you want to patch through Manage Engine. Okay, so once this is, so right now I can show you my console first. Okay, what is coming there. So let me cancel this, and if you see, there is no computer, right? But we'll see the status after we install this software. Okay, so we'll be installing this. Click on OK, and this will register. So backend process, like it, whenever it will install, it will register your client machine to the Manage Engine console, right? And after that it will run in inventory. Okay, so I will also show you which file is actually is responsible to connect on Manage Engine client console. Okay, so let this setup complete and we'll go to that file. So it is taking some time because this is a virtual machine and running on some my test environment. So this machine is having only 2 GB RAM, so this is slow, but till the time we can open that path where it will install. So go to this PC and under in C drive, let me do like this, and yes, so right now the process is agent is all installing, plus it is also registering your machine into the Manage Engine portal. Okay, so go to we will go to this location under in files, and you will see one folder. Let me refresh this. Manage Engine, yes, and under in Manage Engine you will see UEMS agent. Under in UEMS agent you will see bin folder. Under in bin folder you will see connect troubleshooting agent, troubleshooting exe. So you just need to click on open this one. Okay, this is for troubleshooting. Normally, even if you install the agent, it will directly report to the console, but in case if your agent is not responding, or in case if your machine is not getting connected onto this, so we can troubleshoot through this agent, and this would also collect the logs, right? So whenever any problem is there, Manage Engine team will ask for that to collect those logs. Click on troubleshoot. It will check your connectivity, right? Connectivity from Manage Engine central agent. This is your machine here. Okay, and this will try to observe the services, and it will also test the connectivity. Okay, so whatever it will find, it will say okay, yes, connected, and it will show a green icon. Okay, so right now we are able to connect onto this endpoint, right? However, notification server is not configured and RDS is not configured, but that is fine. Okay, we'll leave this. That means diagnosis is complete. And if you see any error here, so antivirus you can ignore for now, but if you see any error here, then I think we should be taking care of that error, right, in troubleshooting part. And also there should be green check on this point, endpoint central. Okay, so let me close this quickly and let me go to that console. Okay, so let me also refresh it and see the difference after the refresh. Okay, so you can see the server is reporting, the server where we recently installed this agent. This is the server. You can see the host name of this. This is server win02 and it is reporting onto the console. Okay, you can see here it is reporting now. So if you go into patch and threads, okay, it will take some time basically. So if you go here, okay, maybe in systems, you will see one system is reporting. Right now there is no missing patch, fail and install, it is 000, but it will take some time in scanning. If you want to perform the scanning manually, you just need to click on this and click on scan. It will take some time and it will complete the scanning part. Okay, similarly this is Windows. It will take some time till the time we can go ahead and install this agent onto our Linux machine. Okay, so for Linux machine we can go to computers again, download agent, click on same, and we just need to select Linux here. Okay, by default there will be a Linux group by default, and you can download this agent now. So you can click on this. So I have created an FTP server on my machine. Okay, so what I will do, I will just quickly extract it into some folder, like I will give a name UEMS, right, and I will click on extract. It will be extracting here. What I will do, I will copy this folder into the directory which actually I published into the FTP. So I can paste here. Okay, and then let me go to that machine which is running with Ubuntu. Okay, so yeah, so here in Ubuntu I can log in, and this is also running on VMware workstation, you can see, and this is my FTP which is running. Okay, so let me refresh my connection, and this is the file which I wanted to copy, so I will copy into the temp. So if you go, you will find this file in temp, right? Now you need to go to your command prompt. Okay, so I have switched my user to root, so now you can go to this directory cd/temp and you will see this folder UEMS. Okay, so if you just need to go inside this UEMS, and then you will see few installation. There is a file called bin, right? This is by default not get the permission, but you can give it the same execution permission by doing it chmod. So we'll use this command +X. You can also do it by giving chmod 777 like that. In that this is also possible, right? So if you do ls now, you will see it is coming as green color, right? So now we are eligible to run this, since it become a installation file. Okay, so now we have started the process of installation. So installation is very simple, right? Even if you try to unzip that file inside the Linux, you can do using the command. Okay, there is a command. You can unzip that file inside the Linux operating system, and folder will remain same. It will come as name with UEMS, right? Right. So once it will install. It will take some time, because you can see in Windows it was not coming, but here you can see directly, right? Agent registration is in progress. So this is a good sign, and sometime it will take time, but you just go to this console and refresh this page. You might see this machine maybe once the registration is done. So I think, yeah, registration is done, but let me see the status here. Yeah, agent status is done. So now both machines, Linux and Windows, are reporting to this group, right? And I think we can also start scanning of this machine, right? So you can click on this machine and click on scan. So now you will see two machines are currently being scanned by this tool. You go to this patch and see how many patches are there. Okay, so you will see the good count, right? You will see the count, right? It is good. So as you also remember earlier, I was talking about the patch type under in security type patches, right? So there is an option patch database in this under in setting, patch database setting. So right now you see for Windows I have selected all, right? But all is not required, so you can uncheck this, right? Only security updates. But this tool is having a problem that, I mean, I would not say it is a problem, but you can select this security preview patches, right? Feature packs and all you can select as per your need. But under in that the subcategory, right? Critical, low, right? You cannot select that category, right? Even for Apple also you will see two type is coming. And for Linux also you will see third party, security updates, non-security. So non-security we can remove and third party also we can remove. But if you want, since this is a test lab, so we can enable this, okay, and save this. So now based on this setting, this database setting, right, your machines will get scanned and you will see something here, right? Under in system you will see that how many patches are missing. Okay, so now right now the scanning is going on. Once the scanning will go away and will be finished, right, you will see that the status you will see. Okay, you go to this inventory also. Let me show you this option. So earlier there was nothing, right? So now if you go here you will see two computers, and the benefit of this that you can see that this server is licensed, it is not licensed, the version you can see, right? You can see the actual version of this, right? You can see Windows, right, which group it is reporting, which user is logged in even, right? So very good tool, I would say. And it is also showing the last scan date, so you can you can justify that, okay, this machine is recently scanned by this software, so the details which is populating here are the correct one. If you click on the server you will also see many things, right? In summary you will see server IP, right? And you can see the language, you can see total hardware, total software, right? You can see many stuff actually. This is very good tool. So go to systems, you will see your users. You can actually I will show you an option where you can actually create your users and add into some groups. Okay, so this is very good option, right? Even if anyone is not able to log in and machine is disjoined from the domain, you can actually create your user and get into the server, okay, being part of the admin group. Hardware you can see you can see the softwares, right? So even if I compare these software, these all are under in that machine, right? So you can uninstall this software as well. This option is there actually, okay. And you can see the certificate, file details, right? So under in file details also security, USB audit, right? And history also you can see, right? A good, very good tool actually. I am already using it, so I'm sharing my true feedback. So right, so you can see this machine is logged in by me. This is local user, okay. I mean this user is actually running on top of this machine. So now let me check if that process is complete, or maybe it is taking some time. Yeah, scanning is still in progress, so we just need to wait for some time, okay, and then we'll come back to this. Okay, again I'm pausing this video for now, and once this will complete I will unpause and continue this video. Okay, so I can see one machine is completed now. So if you go into patches you will see missing patch 32, right? So what we can do, we can see how many patches which are applicable, and how many, I mean these 32 patches, which are these patches, right? So you can click on that and you see that, right, this is this patch, right? So this is important patch, and the total number are 32. So you don't need to go anywhere on this machine, right? You just need to click on this system, and I am showing you how simple this tool is basically. So you just need to click on this, right? So there are two ways. So if you have multiple machines, right, you can create your groups. So right now there is one machine. Let me onboard one more machine, and then we can see, okay, how we can continue with this. 1 second, let me install this software onto one more machine. Okay, so let me go here and go to agent and download agent, click on Windows, click on this copy and go to this one, open something, or maybe I can copy that or maybe I can download that agent and directly paste it into my machine, because this is running under VMware, right? So just copy this tool, go to this server back and paste it. Okay, so I can see this setup here. Just double click on this setup or run as administrator, and you can install this. So why I am installing this, because I wanted to show you how group part is working. So for Linux we will not create group, but for Windows I will show you. With Linux I have only one machine which is running under VMware, and let it complete. Okay, so till the time we can continue that part. For Linux machine there are 32 patches which are currently showing, and earlier on the home page you might not see some kind of observation, right? But once you will be having machines onboarding into this portal, right, you will see a lot of difference, and which is created on this portal. So I mean, you will see your machines, you will see many things actually you can see on the same portal, right? So you just need to click on this patches and click on system, and you can see one more system is about to onboard. The inventory scanning may be going on onto that machine, right? You can close on it, close this one and this one, right? So you can also put this new machine for the scanning. Okay, so click on this scan, and you just need to click on this and scan. So the scan will start. Now go to again back to the system patch, and then you can click on this machine specifically. Okay, and then okay, so you just need to click on this video of this file. Okay, so you clicked on this server and you see 32 patches, and if you install all patches, if you want to install all patches or specific patches, you can go into patches section, go here, and you will see you can install a specific patch also, and you will see that which patch requires a reboot. So let's suppose this patch I wanted to install on this Linux machine. Then click on this install patches, give a name like patch wave 1 or 0, right? So this, maybe you can consider this machine as a test, and you can see this is the one which I am installing. Click on the policy which is deploy at earliest. We'll also talk about policies later, but this is just for test, so there is no problem, right? We are doing this for test, and later on maybe we can showcase this part to you. Click on so you will also verify your machine, right? It is coming here under in default domain, it is reporting to, and computer name is Ubuntu 01, and you can click on deploy immediately, and this window will appear. Okay, this is this will be a good sign if this will show in this color, right, in blue color, and once it will show in green color, that means it is installed, that patch is installed. So you keep refreshing it. Okay, so right now it is yellow, that means yet to apply. You can see the execution status for this machine. It is saying that yet to apply, and under configuration you can see that which patch I'm applying to this machine. So it will take some time. Okay, depends on how, machine performance also, right? So we'll just wait for some time. Okay, and keep refreshing this. Okay, this will be, and you can see this configuration again by going into deployment and manual deployment. Since this is your manual deployment, so this is the one. Okay, but there are options where you can do it automatically. So we can do it automatically. Okay, that I will show you later, but I just wanted to show you how simply we can do the patching, and later on we'll go we'll go to complex stuff, okay, like automation and auto deployment of the patches. Okay, so I refreshed it and now it is showing that this is done. Okay, so it is showing as green, right? So if you go into patches again or system again, you will see you just need to click on the scanning, right? Patch scan, so it will show as it should show actually 31 now, right? Because we have already installed one patch. Okay, so you can verify which patch is installed onto your machine recently. Okay, there are few commands by which you can see which patch is installed. Okay, similarly for Windows, I will say, so let me see the scanning part. So you can see agent is not reachable, right, for this machine specifically, right? So we'll see that part, why this agent is not reachable to this machine. Okay, which this is 01, so this is 02. Okay, and we need to click on this machine again. Which machine is this? This is 01. Okay, so 01, there is an error. 02 scanning is still in progress. Okay, so I have showed you how to patch a machine, right? How to patch a Linux machine as of now. We'll also consider the Windows one. Okay, in next coming video you will be able to see a group creation, right? And we'll also patch the Windows server. Right now it is taking time in scanning, so I'm leaving the same thing here as it is. And in next video you will see more things like software installation, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please do subscribe and like, and please put your comments if you have any query. Thank you very much for watching.